Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for taking a moment out of your day to stop by and watch this video. Today's video is going to be one of the last, if not the last, Boxycharm unboxing for 2019. And I just want to start off by saying that it's not anything that I have against Boxycharm in terms of why I'm going to be canceling my subscription or anything like that. I really enjoy Boxycharm. I think Boxycharm is a great subscription for people that are getting into makeup, like beginners, people that love makeup, and like in general, it's a really good subscription for anybody that really loves makeup, enjoys makeup, and wants to learn more about it. So Boxycharm is $21, I think it's $21 a month, and you get 5 full-sized products. And so that leads to about 60 products a year. And while I love Boxycharm, last year I kind of was through this funk, I guess is what you want to say, but I was just really noticing the amount of makeup that was starting to pile up that I was buying. And along the way I just kind of realized that I have too much right now. I don't need to be buying a lot of makeup this year. I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. To be honest, I don't think I'm going to be able to use half of them by the end of this year to even test out or try out and see what I feel about them. So I just thought to myself, you know, I need to start saving some money, and I also need to start like not spending so much on makeup. So I just came to the decision to go ahead and unsubscribe from Boxycharm. And that's what I will be doing if I remember to get on the Boxycharm website and actually cancel my subscription. I thought I would go ahead and do 1 year on and 1 year off. And for 2019, I am going to try and start it off as being my 1 year off of the Boxycharm subscriptions and just seeing how much makeup I can really get through this year. But anyway, that's my disclaimer. Let's go ahead and get to the unboxing of this one's box. Boxy and chill. And yes, I also know that this is a very late Boxycharm video going up in January. Yeah, I was sick last week and didn't really have any energy or desire to do this video until now. So here we are. Let's enjoy. So anyways, Boxy and chill. I'm gonna keep this right here. Oh, that's actually perfect because my little stand here can helps keep the card up. Okay. This is a general overview of what's in the box. Have you guys noticed that I haven't really done a video lately? Starting off great. Anyways, let's go ahead and start with the big one. I know people like to start kind of small, but we're just going to start with the big one because it was on top. It's from Tarte. It is Rainforest of the Sea, an eyeshadow palette, and I don't know if this is a specific number. I know that they have numbers, but I don't know if this one has a specific one, because it just says Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette, but I think there were 3 different eyeshadow palettes. This is the packaging, which looks really nice. And if I can open it, that would be fantastic. And this is what the inside looks like. Very neutral colors here, and that's one of the things that while I like Boxycharm, I've also noticed is my eyeshadow palettes, for whatever reason, they're not very colorful. They're very neutral, very, you know, natural type of colors, and I just don't really go for those colors generally. So that's also kind of another reason why I just want to stop for a bit, is stop getting so many of those same eyeshadow palettes. But this is what it looks like. It looks gorgeous. I am going to be honest, I'm thinking of doing a Tarte giveaway with some more Tarte products. I had kind of already thought of having a theme for one of my giveaways this year, because I plan to do a little bit more than just the one giveaway I did last year. But I had already kind of started to think, maybe I should just do a full-on makeup brand giveaway. Not sponsored, by the way. Just gotta put that out there. We'll put that back in the box. And this retails for, oh yes, it does say eyeshadow palette volume 1, and it retails for $36. Okay, there we go. Next product is from Ofra. It's the long-lasting liquid lipstick in Miami Fever, and I believe that this shade is Kathleen Light shade. Like, I know she's done a couple of lipsticks with Ofra. And so I think that this is one of her like colors that she chose and that she picked out, and so I cannot wait to test that out. But I'm currently working on a few other lipsticks that I'm trying to get through, so that is going to go in the in-stock lipstick box, and that retails for, let me see here if I can spot it, $20. So already we're getting our value for our box. Like I said, Boxycharm is $21 a month for 5 full-size products. This alone is $36, so yes, we are getting value for our buck. Next up is from Briogeo. It's the Roscato Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I have a couple of Briogeo products. They're like this, they're deluxe size, that I haven't really been able to test out or try out, so I'm hoping that this year, as I like work through my hair products, I can definitely test those out. So I'm interested in seeing how this works, if it's really going to condition. I don't really do a lot of conditioning when I'm showering, so the idea of having a leave-in spray conditioning spray after I shower appeals to me more, because I can spritz this on than going through the conditioning in shower. I don't know why, I just don't really like to condition my hair, which I know is probably not a good thing. I should probably be doing that to really have my hair be healthy, but I don't do it. Next up is from Billion Dollar Brows. It's the Universal Brow Pencil. This is what it looks like. It has a spoolie on this end, and then over here, okay. It's the general, let me see if it can focus more. That's the general tint. I'm currently working on my, it's right here. Oh, perfect. My Brow Gal one, so this is also going to go in my makeup in stock at the moment. And that retails for $18. I don't know why, but my nose is really itchy in this video. No. Okay. And the last product, my goodness, my nose, is from Tatcha. It's the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. We've got 2 of them, and this one's Boxycharm, which I'm really excited about. I know that Tatcha is an expensive brand. I received a dewy, like the Dewy Mist one time, and I believe it was also in Boxycharm. I don't think that was in a Birchbox. And it just, like, I knew I wasn't going to use it as much as I should, so I ended up decluttering it and giving it away to somebody that I know is going to use it a lot. But I know that, like, still, Tatcha, I want to try more of their products out, so I'm really glad that these are skin masks, because like I said, I want to try the brands, and I'm glad that it's in a form that I like to enjoy. So, yeah. And these retail for $24, and I'm assuming that's individually priced, so that'd be expensive. Anyways, that was everything in this box. Like I said, this is probably going to be one of the last, if not the last, Boxycharm subscription unboxing for this year. I'm still sticking with my Ipsy one, simply because it's still 5 products, it's $10, but they're mini products, so I feel like I'll be able to use them more and test those out more this year. Although in my Ipsy I did receive 2 full-size masks and a lip liner this time around. They added like a couple of additional things apart from my 5 initial sample items. But anyways, I'm still going to be sticking to that. I just don't know if I will be doing Ipsy videos or what that will be like. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.